Hey Freunde, servus, hier ist Rheinland-Pfalz. Wir spielen Life is Strange Episode 3 weiter. Und sobald das Laden aufgehört hat, wünsche ich viel Spaß.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
Ja, hier haben wir das letzte Mal aufgehört. Schauen wir mal, was so geht. Wir brauchen auf jeden Fall den Schlüssel, um in diesen RV zu kommen. Also in den Wohnwagen. Oh.
What is going on here?
Ja, tote Vögel liegen überall herum. Es passieren lauter krasse Sachen. Und wir sind schuld durch unsere Power.
Ugh, gross. Locked.
Hab ich mir gedacht, dass das Ding abgeschlossen ist. Wurde ja auch schon getestet. Papa. Was schreibt der Papa? Gut. Alle Haupt gehen mal rein und versuchen Frank davon zu überzeugen, uns den Schlüssel zu geben.
Good lord, bacon. I'm ready to nosh again. Ugh, but I need to get those keys from Frank.
Ah. Sehr schön. Verteilen.
I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Nicht so schlau. Nicht so schlau.
Frank Bauer stars in A Face Full of Beans.
You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns, and dressing up like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. What the fuck do you want? Take a picture of me and I'll break your fucking camera.
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. You're lucky I just took that gun from you.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
In other words, Max, no keys.
Das hat
Maybe I could
nicht so
chat
gut
up that
funktioniert.
officer, or even Nathan, and then go all Groundhog Day on them until I get the info I need.
So, erst würde ich mal ganz rückspulen, dass das Gespräch gar nicht stattgefunden hat. Genau, laber, laber, laber. Oh, komm, mach schneller.
There she is, Super Maxine. That's your new nickname around the bay. Sorry, but you did earn it. We're all real proud of you for helping Kate down.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I was just lucky. And right on time. Kate is who counts.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
I guess Kate Marsh will be the face of Blackwell for a while.
And you for helping her. That's the kind of school spirit we need more of.
I feel like David Madsen represents Blackwell.
Not for long. He's a loose cannon. We all respect him for his service, but he's too eager.
He's eager to be a dick to me and Chloe.
That's true. He was ranting about a stolen gun, and then I tuned out. Somebody's always out to get him.
Try interrogating somebody else, Lieutenant Caulfield.
So, ich spule nochmal zurück. In der Hoffnung, dass es was bringen könnte. Gerade mal kurz gucken, ob ich hier vielleicht
You should have jumped, asswipe.
irgendwo noch ein Foto machen kann. Die Möglichkeit besteht.
Shit. What are the other signs then?
Ich glaube aber fast nicht, dass das geht. Gehen wir mal zum Nathan.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look. Max Amber. Nice outfit. By the way, thanks for getting me fucking expelled, you twee bitch. You're lucky this is a public place.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
Oh, yeah? You shouldn't have bitch snitched on me to that fucked up principal.
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own. More than me.
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
Interessant.
There she is.
Thanks, officer.
I'm glad.
Nathan said that Rachel Amber represents Blackwell, with Frank Bowers.
Bowers ain't no student anymore. Sadly, he does represent one side of Arcadia Bay. I want you to stay out of his orbit, okay? Him and that rabid mutt.
I heard something about Frank Bowers and his puppy. My boy does love his dog.
Especially when the dog is your personal drooling bodyguard. You can bet he trained that poor thing on blood.
Gross. I wouldn't bet. Where did he get the pup?
Frank used to bet on dog fights. To his credit, he had a revelation. He saved a bunch of the dogs, kept one for himself. He's still a creep. You and that Chloe stay away, right?
Sehr gut. Jetzt spule ich mal zurück, dass der gegebenenfalls die Gespräche nicht mitgekriegt hat.
You act so scary, but you did save all those dogs.
One, I'm not acting. Two, who told you about the dogs?
It's actually a great story. You're an animal lover. Could I pet the doggy? I could go grab him from your RV right now.
I won't even let you pick up the dog shit. Besides, you don't want a leash. You want these keys right here. Look at your eyes dilate. You're worse than a junkie, Max. But no fix for you.
So, die kann ich schnell nehmen und dann die Zeit zurückdrehen, hoffe ich doch.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
You did not just do that. Give me back my keys, bitch. Give me my keys now.
Und zurück. Schön auf deinem Platz. Los. So, das Gespräch will ich natürlich weg haben. Hopp, 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 hopp. Sehr
Key
gut.
brought. Now back to Chloe.
Okay, bevor ich zur Chloe gehe, gucke ich noch mal, ob... Ah, guck mal da.
Are you shitting me?
Achtung.
Alyssa, watch out! Quick thinking, Max.
Sehr gut. Sind immer so lieb zu der.
So ominous.
Der Strudel war leicht arg verpixelt, gell? Ah. Geht hier noch ein Foto? Ich bezweifel's. Aber gut, eins haben wir noch mitgenommen. Das ist schon mal sehr schön. Und jetzt weiter im Geschehen. Richtung Wohnmobil. Schauen wir mal, wie es klappt.
I should have known. The amazing Spider Max.
I couldn't have done it without Frank. Now let's get in and out.
You'll need this, Max. On your mark, get set. Throw!
Richtung Parkplatz.
Get the treat, boy.
I think we just made that dog our bitch. Get it?
Now we can snoop in peace. But let's not waste time. The doggy is busy now, but he might come back.
Lieber zurück als auf die Straße, ey.
Damn. I thought my room was a shithole.
You're not a creepy drug dealer.
Frank has issues, but he's not creepy. At least I didn't think so until I saw him with Rachel's bracelet. Oh, we could cruise everywhere in this bad boy. Can you see us heading down the coast to Big Sur and beyond?
Yes, we'd be tearing up the highway. And you'd probably want me to kiss you again. Chloe, we're on a schedule. We need clues about Rachel.
I know. Just daydreaming.
Okay, okay. Was können wir finden?
You scope the area
Good
while
to know
I...
Frank has a knife lying around. Frank is almost a maid for Is Frank going to deal online now? That's a pretty extreme lighter. Are these for Frank, or is he selling them? Or both? Too bad I don't have my Frank Bowers decoder ring. Okay, this vent is loose. I need something to pry it open. Ooh, Frank's stash.
Okay.
Chloe isn't scared. She's loving this.
Hundefutter, Flasche.
Frank must have a reason to keep a police radar nearby.
Polizeifunk. Ich würde gern das Messer nehmen. Ja.
This is almost as good as a set of keys.
Und jetzt kriegt man das Ding hier auf. Sehr gut.
My blade will open any portal. Oh man, Rachel and Frank's dog. I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed. I'm glad Rachel got to drive this beast. She looks genuinely happy. Rachel really did hang out with Frank. I'm learning more about Rachel than I want to know. Trouble in paradise.
Gab wohl Ärger. Ich denke, damit können wir jetzt zur Chloe.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank. I wrote him love letters. I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years. My mother gloms onto stepfucker. Now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Chloe! Chloe,
You can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
I gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
It's just life. Shit happens. It's nobody's fault. Blah, 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 as Mr. Jefferson would say. And Kate Marsh...
Yes, Kate Marsh almost killed herself. Such sad, okay? That doesn't make me feel any better about my fucked up life. Get it?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
You blame William? Really?
Yes, I do. Damn right. He chose to go out that door and leave me forever.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes, even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to wait for your father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
You don't want to hear this, but you're still here. Alive. With me. And that is no accident.
You're right. I don't want to hear this.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
Harter Tobak. Eieiei.
Oh my god. What is happening now?
Time for a picture. Cheesecake! Come on now. Say pancake. I can't even see.
Erinnert so ein bisschen an Butterfly-Effekt, oder? So, gucken wir mal, wo sich das scharf stellt. Sieht gut aus.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him. Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just... yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, Chloe. Give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
Well, I might just allow this one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William is
Hint,
here.
hint, Daddy.
Yes,
And
we can't
Chloe
expect
is just
your
a
mom to
kid.
rush home and serve us slackers.
Am I
Who
that
wants to
far
have a
back
man
in
phrase?
You
time?
mean pancakes?
In France, they call them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
And a good
old
French
inside my
chef uses
13-year-old
assistance
self.
If you want to eat
How?
We. I volunteer to break the eggs.
Ihr wisst, was wir machen können? Wir können den Vater
Mom said
retten.
it depends.
Schauen wir mal, wie es
That's
funktioniert.
I love William like he was in my own family.
Right.
Chloe
like
is
you're
just
the real
so
cook here.
damn happy and carefree.
Now I get to take a picture. Strike a pose.
Make me a star.
Just make me look young.
Keine Sorge, älter wirst du nicht. Ah, sorry.
Your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
Okay.
What a mess we made. I remember those cool drawings I did with Chloe.
Okay, wir können es telefonisch abnehmen.
Hello? Hey,
I know I've seen those pictures before.
honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you.
I have to stop William from taking his car
Excuse me,
today.
ladies, I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Gut, wir müssen natürlich jetzt schauen, wo die scheiß Schlüssel sind. Um ihn davon abzuhalten, mit dem Auto zu fahren. Was gut ist, wir können nachschauen, was er macht, wo er sie holt, und dann können wir sie da klauen.
Aha. You can't hide from me forever.
Und zwar genau jetzt. Fertig.
Real
So.
quick here.
I am when your mom is away.
Score!
I'll let her know that.
Die Frage ist, versteckt man sie oder schauen wir mal hier. Ich weiß halt nicht, ob es schlauer ist, sie einfach stecken zu lassen, weil ich bezweifle, dass er das Kind durchsucht. Sorry.
Hello? Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Du findest sie nicht, Junge. Du findest sie nicht. Am Arsch.
Shit, where are those keys?
Du nicht.
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
Scheiße. Oh Mann.
I knew this thing would come in handy. How did my keys get in here?
Na,
And
klasse.
no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Kann ich da irgendwie die Batterien rausmachen oder sowas? Na. Oh. Ich hätte weiter zurückspulen müssen. Weiter, 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 weiter. So, was machen wir
I
jetzt?
need to hide the keys where William won't hear his dumb beeper.
Hoch kann ich nicht.
Hello? Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know. I know I had those keys right here. I know it. Forgot all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course. Last time I ordered from Spy Guy Electronics.
You can take the bus, right? The stop is right down the street.
This I can do. Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop. Joyce will love this.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
paying $150 for a concert.
I heard that the Vortex Club parties are wild.
Dude, the service fee is like 50%.
Hello? Are you even listening, Maxine?
All my friends in LA told me that Oregon was
Max.
going to be wet and cold every day.
Never
But it's like
Maxine.
75
So that's
degrees
why
and
she
I
was
haven't
laughing
seen the
so
rain
hard.
once.
I know. Sorry, Mad
that
Max.
climate change?
You're not pissed at me, right?
No,
Right?
it's people in Oregon.
Do you want to go
trying
hit the
keep
girls' potty and
California
smoke a
down.
peace pipe?
I think Max is high.
She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the Vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like whatever, bitch.
Warren, he hooked up with Stella? Oh no, this is totally fucked up. What else have I changed? Chloe.
Max Caulfield. Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
No. I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of, I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on. Chloe, you have a visitor.
Und wenn ihr denkt, das war heftig, dann wartet mal ab, was noch als nächstes alles passiert. Ich drück weiter. Wir schauen uns noch kurz. Das Spiel macht mich immer so fertig, ey. Frank hat Davids Waffe. Wir hätten die Waffe noch einsacken können. Das hatte ich komplett vergessen. Schauen wir mal nächste Seite. Hier sehen wir noch weitere Statistiken, was ich gemacht habe oder eben nicht gemacht habe. Und ja, Wir schauen uns die Vorschau an von der nächsten Episode. Ich hoffe, ihr hattet Spaß und ich hoffe, wir sehen uns dann auch bei der nächsten Episode wieder. Bis dann. Ciao. Party. Einfach nur Party.